Hey everyone, this is my second video of ELIJAH DRAWTUBE. I am Elijah and I am 9 years old, and this is my sister Soraya, who is 3 years old. Hi Soraya.
Hi.
Today we will be doing Rodrick Heffley from Diary of the Wimpy Kid. The reason I'm doing him is because he is my second favorite character from the Diary of the Wimpy Kid series. I like him because he is mean to his brother and can be really funny, and that he plays in a band called Loaded Diaper. Right, Soraya? Yeah, he's really funny.
Yeah.
Here's what you're gonna need today. A blank sheet of paper, a pencil for sketching, and a pen for inking, and an eraser for erasing. You guys ready to do it? Let's go! Start off with a circle. Now, Soraya, you can try and curve it like this. And we're doing a sketch, and circles are hard.
Well, now we did it.
Wait, I wasn't even over there yet at all. I'm gonna erase that circle. You did that nose part without me.
I can erase that nose.
No, that's alright. Gotta stop going along. So we're gonna do a circle. And then we're gonna make this go in a little bit to about there. Then we're gonna bring this up a little bit and have the oval U, big U, go a sideways U, go like that. And there's gonna be like a C shape there, and then there. Now what we're gonna do his eyes. Now we're gonna do his eyebrows. And his eyes are just circles. And his eyebrows are like long, like ovals. We're gonna do that on the same side, on the other side. Now here comes his hair. Now this is a tricky part. Every time I do it, it's hard. And I'm just gonna fix this circle a little bit. And fix his nose. Soraya, you don't have to do it. Yours looks pretty good, and stop covering it and let other people see. Now, we're gonna do his hair. Now, this part is hard. So we're gonna line up, C shape, and down. Then we're gonna do it up here, going straight. Line up, C shape, and down. But mine was a little too long. Now it's really short, so if you could practice this, because it is hard to get like round things good, like really good. Line up, other line up, and down. That's too long. Now I'm just going to scribble this, and I'm going to scribble that, and we can go over that with a pen. And then we're going to do two that are closer together than the other ones. So 1 and 2. They aren't actually that close. They're just like a teeny bit closer than the other ones. So then we're gonna do his ear, which is pretty close to these two hairs right here. So a curved shape. It's almost a circle. It's almost a circle. So can you do that, Sarah?
I did.
That's actually pretty good. Then now, are you gonna do him frowning or smiling?
I'm the one to do him smiling.
So like a smile, you're gonna do this. Just trace along there. Now, I'm gonna do him frowning because that's his main thing. And his frowns are actually a little bit tilted.
Yeah.
A little too tilted. Now, actually, I'm gonna have it around there just a little bit tilted. Now, I'm gonna make sure there's actually a lot more room in there because it is a little bit closer. Now, here's his. Here, we're gonna do his shirt now. So, like Greg, he is about. The only thing different about him is that we're gonna be doing him with pants this time, and he's just a little bit taller. So we're gonna do a line down like this. Another line down like this. Now I might be drawing this a little bit more different than Greg because I figured out an easier way to do it. So then we're gonna bring it up, and then it should be actually a little closer to there. It should be a big sleeve. So there it should look. So I made mine a little bit not as skinny, but he actually is a little bit bigger than Greg. So we're gonna leave it like that. We're gonna do this line down for his arm. And then we're gonna do the thumb like this. It's a oval that didn't really finish. And then we're gonna be doing his hand. One thing, it's a little bit bigger than the thumb. So there's 3 fingers. So we're gonna do that curve, Soraya, that curve, and that curve. I might have set it a little bit more. So we're gonna cut the shorts off a little bit around there. Now we're gonna do a line down. Now, like I said, we're gonna be doing him with pants. Then we're gonna do another line down. Now, don't worry, it's not a dress. Then we're gonna do a line like this and this. They're gonna be pretty close together. You know what? It's easier to do it with shorts.
Do I need to lace this?
Yes. And that's the wrong spot. What I said, Soraya, is cut it off like about here. And don't start up there. Do the pants line like this. Now I'm gonna erase the sleeve right there. So now we're gonna do a line down.
Like this?
And over like this. Now I already did that, because I've lost track when she did it a little wrong. And then we're gonna do it over, up like this. And then we're gonna do a line over like that. Two lines down. Now this part I'm not gonna sketch because this pencil isn't that sharp. It looks sharper. So a line down like that. I might not do it too hard. Don't drop your pencil like that, Soraya. Now we're gonna do this. Make the shoes, Soraya.
So I have to do it like this?
Exactly like Greg's. Now his feet are big like Greg's. And then we're going to do another line down like this. Now this part is basically the same, except for one part. It kind of overlaps. Now, I'm just gonna round
I got
this.
his shoes.
I'm just gonna round this out. His nose is a little more round than Greg's. And then, do you want to put a backpack on him? He doesn't really go to school like that as much as you would see Greg at school.
Well, I don't want to put a backpack on him.
Okay.
Because I already got him finished.
And there you have it. That is Rodrick Heffley. Now the hair was a little hard. I'm sure a lot of you had trouble with it. So now we are going to ink it, and let's speed it up right now. Now here is my Rodrick. Now the nose and the hair, I don't know why I inked this nose a little bit, and the hair is just a little bit squiggly. And here is hers. Now the nose was actually a little hard because she kept on forgetting to make it go like this and not just connect it like that. And so, what do you think, Soraya? Do you think these look good?
Yeah.
The next week we will be doing Rally from the Diary of the Wimpy Kid. I like him because he is Greg's friend. Do you like him because he is Greg's friend, Soraya?
Yeah.
He can be funny. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe and tell your friends about it because we are going to be doing a lot. So, bye!